Another lovely Jaguar E-Type is in the workshop today after a full inspection by the team. We noted a number of issues, but we were most worried about the incorrectly shimmed rear brake calipers. This causes the car to pull left and right as the pistons engage at different times. Now, with the E-Type having inboard rear discs, it's not as easy as just taking the calipers off. So we've had to drop the whole rear IRS here to gain access. Now, it's lucky we've done it because there's a number of other issues that have been caused during incorrect assembly of the car, including missing lock wire, no shims in the rear subframe mount so it's not sitting square, radius arm bushes that are upside down, and a loose bolt in the handbrake mechanism with no nut, which should be a clevis pin. Now these, like I say, are all avoidable with a little bit of know-how during assembly. As we put the car back together, we'll fit an easy bleed kit to the rear so you can gain access to those inboard calipers and make sure it all goes back together nicely and drives as it should.